Xin chào. Chào buổi sáng. Chào buổi sáng. On every lunar holiday, 1st and 15th of each month, Common Waters Charitable Association go to Danang Cancer Center to feed 800 cancer patients and more. We arrive at about 5 o'clock to begin preparing for the day. Since Common Waters first and foremost is a vegan restaurant, all meals are vegan and prepared carefully with that vegan touch. Grace, who's the main chef in the kitchen, along with her sister Chang, prepare all meals to perfection. Everyone works very hard to make sure all meals are prepared by 8 a.m. when the patient starts arriving. And it's a humbling experience when we make the time and they all show up to receive a healthy and delicious vegan meal. Words alone cannot express the humbling experience you get or feel, or what Common Waters actually feel from doing their part when it comes to giving back to society. We all should do our part, and even if it means giving back a little at a time, we're still doing our part. And Common Waters does its part in giving back, not just to Danang, but to the people of Danang, who really appreciate what they do on every lunar calendar at the Danang Cancer Center. As the line moves along and everyone receives a healthy vegan meal with a smile, it's easy to see that Common Waters is deeply appreciated for what they do every lunar calendar, every month of every year. and continue to do so. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to do your part. And if you'd like to donate or be a volunteer in any particular way in helping out, spread love and joy, not just to the world, but to people in need, you can reach us at karmawaters.org. Subscribe and share. Thank you.